Okay, so last time we were out here, I mounted all these body panels up, these bright fluorescent orange powder-coated body panels, and I explained that we were a little bit behind, and that was because of a pump problem caused by somebody.
Yeah, I know the guy that did it, and he should have known what he was doing. He's been doing this a long time. I tried to tell him different, but he didn't listen.
So
he ended up with $1,800 worth of pump.
Yeah, we're swapping pumps to the correct pump. And he is in charge of getting that ready. And then once that's done, we'll be able to have the car running, and we'll change the oil. And I'm gonna keep working on bodywork while he does that. All right, moving forward, got the pump all hooked up and connected, brakes all bled, so everything's ready for this car to run. So we're gonna try to run it and see what fluids we need more of, and then we'll have to drain the oil. Leaks, yes, leaks to find.
No finding.
Hopefully none. Yeah, so that's where we're moving now.
Shrubs and hanging baskets. Riverville Landscape and Supply also has a full line of Liberty pavers. So go on and get creative with new walkways, patios, walls, and
Okay. Oil change.
Oh, let's get the air out.
Air out is right. Yowza. Well, we know the carb's good.
Yeah, everything sounds good.
That's great.
Eyes are burning. You got the smell. You can smell the smell.
The smell is the smell is the smell. I like to bottle that.
Gets your blood pumping, ready to go to the track.
Oh yeah.
The sound. What a good sound.
Phil Miller racing engine.
Yeah, Phil makes a strong engine.
A real strong engine. Phenomenal.
All right.
Warmth, but nothing. Did the power steering feel okay?
Yep.
It definitely put fluid. It definitely went down. So hopefully it all bled out. You know.
Yeah.
Twist around, it'll break them. Oh God, you're going way too far. Go ahead. Oh my
How
God.
about that?
Son of a bitch. No, wait a minute. Let's see. No, it's turned. Bump it
Oh,
around. You're good. It turned itself around. Son of a bitch. Perfect.
Last thing to do, fill up the rear end housing, which we do from up here. Right, well that's it. Oil, fluid, rear end fluid, everything changed on the car. So everything's ready to go mechanically. Like, that's it. So now it's only body work. I really only did like a little bit up here, but obviously you saw. Got an extra fan belt on, some security there, all kinds of stuff. So, I mean, we're in the closing stages of off-season, which, of course, late start. People are racing already, but that's okay. We'll do it on our own time this year. So, I think that's it. Anything you got to say, Dad?
Yeah, it was a great night. Got a lot of stuff done. Real happy with what we've got. We'd like to make sure this year that we don't have any type of mechanical failures whatsoever.
Because mechanical failures are stupid.
They suck.
It's the worst.
Yeah, we're looking good right now. Things, we're just making sure that every I is dotted and every T is crossed.
Yeah.
Make sure it's right.
That's where we're at right now. So, I think that's going to do it for this one. See you next time.